Hello and welcome guys. Hope we are doing well. So today in this video we'll see how you can upgrade your Moodle to LMS to Moodle 4.5. Okay, so if you search on the web, you see here the Moodle 4.5 is the latest version now. Okay, so it was released in this, but if you see this April upgrade of Moodle, you see here the Moodle 5.0 they have also released. Okay, so if I come to see this 4.5, so you should have this system requirements will have to match. So for upgrading this up to Moodle 4.0, you must have at least the version your 4.2.3. Okay, so in case you have not this version and you have the lesser version, you should check up to which step you will be able to upgrade your Moodle. Okay, so then only you'll have to, suppose you are in the 4.1 as of now, then first you'll have to move through. I think the 4.1 to 4.3 is a good option you can go for. Then 4.3 to 4.5 you can. Okay, so currently I see here my instance and I already have 4.5 on my server. If I come to see the environment, I see the list here and yes, it is 4.5, and now I am going to upgrade this with for 5.0. Okay, so the step will involve taking a backup. So this is my site and I have here the subdomains. Right? So lms.avlux.co.in you see here. So this is the instance. So I will come here under dashboard, and then I will have to first take a backup for it, so that in case something goes wrong I will have option I can quickly jump and back to the previous instance. Like the DB backup I will take first. Okay, so this is the DB. I can take a backup. Well, so database, if I click on this, I can see here first I will have to go for which is my current database. You must have to take care of that, which is your actual database. You'll have to take a backup. Okay, so I am going to check with my file system and I will go back here one step back, and under file managers I can see, yeah, so here under public ms I will have here the directory lms. Well, so this is directory and I will check with my config.php file. Okay, so config ideally I should have here. Well, so this is the file and I will validate from here my DB name. So this is my DB name here, and I will quickly come here on the previous page and I can enter into my PHP my admin on a new tab and I can export this DB. Okay, so this is the database. You can also verify this one. This is the name and this is the name. So here I am going to export this. Okay, so complete SQL I am going to export. So I will click here on the export, and you see I don't have much data around, so it will not take much time. And you see here it's around 18 MB. So now I have the DB backup. Okay, so before doing this, you should also put your site into the maintenance mode. So, okay, so sorry I missed that stage. So you have to put your site into the maintenance mode. So under development, you see here maintenance mode. If you are not able to see, you can search here. Okay, So enable maintenance mode we see currently it's no, and I will click here on the yes, and I will save. Now if anyone will be trying to access this site, they will be able to see. Okay. So enable maintenance mode. I have enabled this one. Let me see here. That is yes. So maintenance mode information page yes. Now this is the exact setting I will have to enable first. So maintenance mode enable. Now this is the right setting. If I come here and refresh, I will see here the site is under maintenance and is currently not available. So if someone try logging like this, so they will get the site is under maintenance and currently not. Okay. So the first thing you'll have to make sure your site is in maintenance mode. Then you can take a DB backup. Now the next step you should have you'll have to take the backup of the Moodle data and as well as the Moodle code. So Moodle data I will take a backup of it. Okay, so this is Moodle data I will have to take a backup. But in my case I don't have much data around, so I will be skipping this step. But this is the must, you will have to take a backup of this Moodle data as well. Got it? Now coming to the next step, you'll have to export all your code. You can download your code and you can rename that one. So here I will create a directory, let's say LMS5, and all my code I will put here within this directory. So I'm going to download Moodle 4.5, sorry, Moodle 5.0. So this is the one I need. Download. Okay. So this is the right file I will have to export from here. So I will download a zip, and here it will start downloading. Yes. And once it downloaded, I will see what all files it contains. So I will open here. So it contains only the model. So I don't have any issue. So I'll be importing here as it is. Okay. So here I will import that one. So you see, I just drag and drop here, and you see the progress here. It is uploading one file. Now I have backup. And I have the code backup as well, because everything I am processing within this new directory. Now this is the code uploaded, and I will have to extract here. So I will extract. So within this directory itself, extract everything here. Okay. So the steps are will have to take up, and now I am going to remove this, and again. So this is the file directory, and I don't need this git one, so I will delete this first. And here I will select everything and I will move, and currently you see it is on here, and now I am going to move this here. Okay, so under this, so I will have LMS5. So here I want to move. So currently it is on within this model, but I want to make it within LMS5. So now you see everything is here, and now you will find this model is empty directory. Well, so either you can delete that one or you can leave that as is. So I don't need this one, so I'm going to delete. Okay, so this is the directory with new code Moodle 4.5. Now my running code is here within this LMS. Now I will copy all my local plugins there. First I am going to copy the config.php. Okay, so configuration file I am copied first. This I have to make a copy where outside this within LMS 5, that is the path I will have to copy. Okay, so this is done. Now if you are not sure, you can also take a backup of that. So if you come here, you will see everything is coming in place. Now the same way I can copy all my local plugins. So local plugin will be in within a local directory. So here I will search for the local in my old code directory, and I will move everything from here to there. Got it? So I don't need this bot manager, and data importer is also not required. Well, so let it be. So bot manager actually I don't need. Rest I can move. So I can move, and I can also, I don't need this one. So all the local plugins you will be required, you can move from your older to. So ideally you should copy, not move. So because the actual copy remains here in your older code. So I will make a copy of it, and within LMS this directory, then I will have the local. Yes. So here I'm going to copy. So now you see everything is coming here. Now again I have some stuffs like under theme. I have a theme, so I will quickly go to the theme of my older code. Okay, so I will go here and I will move this theme. So in my case I have to move this, and so I will be moving this on the copy. Again the same steps. So this will go within LMS 5. Then I will have the theme directory. Yeah, so this is the place I have copied. Okay, so this is copy now. Now again I will go back here within LMS, and I will go within the filter, because I have also installed some filters. Okay, so this list will have to make sure you have everything in place so that you can move or copy all your local plugins, all your additional plugins like the theme and filter and any other. So you can move everything one by one. So under filter I have some plugins. So like activity name, math checks I have this. Okay, so these are the filters I will be moving from here. And multi-line is also the one. So activity name, let's remove this one. Okay, so these are the three I will require. So I will make a copy. Again the same steps. So within LMS 5, okay. So then I will have the filter. So filter, yes, this is a filter, and yes, so here I will have to copy. see. Okay, so I think this math jacks is already there. So rest of thing I will be copy there. So within LMS 5, so I can see the filter here. I will copy. So trying to have conflict name. So I think okay. So under filter I can see, yes. So multi-lang is the new one I just added. So you'll be seeing because it was already there. So I will be simply removing my folder one. Okay. So I will delete here. So again I will go back there and I will have to see some blocks because I had added some custom blocks. So within blocks, I can go and check what all I have to use. Okay, so we'll have to navigate to the block directory. Yes, so this is the one. So now within this directory, I can search for what all the blocks I should have there. So this is the one I will be required and XP. Okay, so simply again the same steps. So I have to copy this within this, then under blocks, copy. Got it? So now I have everything in the place. And if I hit this URL in incognito mode, I see like this, the maintenance mode. Okay, so it is directing me to maintenance mode. Now I can adjust my config file there, here. So config, I will be adjusting. Basically, I will be verifying that. So everything here, so within LMS 5, I can see the config.php. So I'll be using everything as earlier it was because I will be just renaming this directory itself. So I don't have to change anything. So now I will simply rename LMS to LMS 4.5 and this LMS 5 to LMS. Why? Because this is the only map with my subdomain. Now if I come back here and refresh, I can see the higher version PHP Moodle 0.5 or later required at least 8.21. Okay, so currently I don't have that. Okay, so in this case, suppose the similar situation you jump into, then how you can fix that? You can fix either way. Either you can roll back and you can fix your first the PHP version, or you can go for incognito mode because my site is already in incognito mode. So if someone will come here, they will be seeing it, this maintenance mode. Okay, because I have already put this one within maintenance. Got it? So don't have to worry much and don't have to be so hurry because your site is in maintenance mode. Now you have enough time to fix your Moodle, sorry, PHP one. So now I will come here and see the PHP version how I can change. Okay, so under advanced within Hostinger, I can see the PHP configuration, and here I can switch. So it is giving me here the information at least 8.2 records. So why at least 8.2? So I'll be jumping to the latest one. So let it be not latest mode, the second latest. So I will be here jumping to 4 point, sorry 8.3. And if you see here, By checking so longer support version, you see 8.3 is a longer support, had long term support, LTS. So this is fine. Now I will quickly click here on the button update. Okay, so make sure your site support 8.3. Some plugins theme functionality may not work. Okay, so I am just going to, so I will cancel again, and I will see here LMS dot, no. So nothing is coming here. So it's just around itself. I think within subdomain. No. So this is the only setting I have. So it will be applicable for all. So let me try doing first. In case something goes wrong, I will go back to the previous version. Okay. So either way, or you can simply jump into first 8.2 or 3. You can check one by one. Okay. So let me try here directly 8.3 and update. So considering I am able to handle this, so anything goes wrong, I will be go back to the previous. So I will here click on confirm. So here on this page, it will take some time. Yeah. So now I see it's updated. Now if I reload this page, and ideally I should see the upgrade options. Yes, it is coming. And I will also check for the other site hosted. So this is the other site that is hosted there. So this is fine. So now you see here the message. So this is the actual upgraded standard. So as of now, I was just taking a backup and making sure every my system requirement is being fulfilled as per here. If you come to see the Moodle 5.4, so you'll see the basic the system requirements here. So at least it will require 8.2 PHP. So that is the something it was showing. So now I have 8.3. Okay. So your Moodle files have been changed and you are about to automatically upgrade. Okay. So before doing this step, you will have to make everything. Like you should have a DB backup, you should have a code backup, you should have Moodle data backup. So in case something goes wrong, you should have enough backup. You'll have to restore that. Okay. So you'll have to be ready for that. So I have everything in backup. Now I'm going to confirm this and click on continue this upgrade. Okay, so click on continue. And here if I check PHP extension sodium is missing. Okay, so now I will have to come here and I will have to check here the extension sodium. Okay, so sodium is unchecked here in 8.3. So I just check this one. Okay, so it is very easy because Hostinger have this upfront setting, so that is easy. But in case you will be processing with the Linux system or AWS, any EC2 instance, you have to make sure it's enabled. Everything you have in place. So I will simply click on the save now. Yes. So now I see updated. Again, I will come back here and refresh this page, and ideally that error should be gone. But let's see. Yes, so now it passes everything. The model required version, so I am using this, and Unicode is fine. The MariaDB is fine. Okay, so PSP extension I am using this 8.3. So everything I am fine with, and my system say here. Okay, so it say your system server meets all the server requirements, meet all the minimum requirements. So I will click here on continue. Now here will the actual process of Moodle upgrade is started from here, and you can make a note of it. And you see here, I will basically be saving this page so that I can check later what all I have missed. Okay, so I will make a note here under YouTube video. So I will Moodle 4.5 to 5.4. Okay, so this is something I will have to. So you can also, I am going to save as a single HTML here. Got it? And you see here the status, it is being upgraded, the file is missing. You see everything. Got it? So like you have attendance plugin missing, so you can come again and again and you can install this in separate. Got it? So you can verify once. The Proctorio is the plugin that is missing I was using there. Got it? So same we will have some other. We'll have to make sure everything is installed later. Got it? So this is the final step. I am going to finalize and click on this upgrade Moodle database now. Okay, so I will click here. So you see here, it's success, success, success. So everything is going to be success, I guess. Now I can jump to my doc that I save within this D directory and YouTube, and I can open this one. Okay, so you can open this one, and later on you can also save this as a PDF file so that you can share with the client. Okay, so here I will be clicking on the continue because everything is success now. And once you come back here, it will be asking for some your confirmation, the setting, general important, import default, general backup default, enable, include badges or not. Okay, so you'll have to make sure. So at least the custom field should be included. So this you'll have to verify once, and you will have to click here on the save changes. Got it? So now my Moodle is upgraded. So once, and you see here the themes coming broken. Got it? So once you updated, you will find something like this, and you don't have to be surprised here because this is just normal steps. So it is always suggested you should upgrade your model first on your local system, then you do the same step on live. So now I will try fixing why this type of issue is coming. So I will come back here and close. So I will take a look here and I will do the purchase. Purchase it, then purchase all cases.